thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wexford County in northern Michigan until 4:15 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Boone, or near Cadillac, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Cadillac and Mitchell State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Wexford, Michigan. The National Weather Service